Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we're going to see a case of pediatric brain case that is mineralizing vasculopathy. A 43-year-old male patient was brought with a history of birth asphyxia. Let's see what we have got on cranial ultrasound. Here's a glimpse of the sagittal and coronal sections of the brain. It apparently looks quite normal without any ventriculomegaly. But here you can see the high frequency ultrasound of the sagittal and parasagittal sections. Now you can see some echogenic linear stripes in the right thalamoganglionic region. These linear bright branching patches are the calcification of the walls of the thalamostraite arteries, which lies over here. Here's the opposite side. On the left, you can still see this linear echogenicities indicating calcification of the thalamostraite arteries. Here's just a color Doppler picture. Here's a coronal section, and on coronal section you still can see this echogenic linear calcifications in the thalamoganglionic region. Here's the picture. You can see both sides with a linear echogenic patches along the thalamostraite arteries, indicating mineralizing vasculopathy. So in summary, linear echogenicities are seen bilaterally in the thalami and basal ganglia regions along the thalamostraite vessels, indicating mineralizing vasculopathy. Now the take-home message. Mineralizing vasculopathy is actually the linear bright branching streaks or patches either unilaterally or bilaterally placed along the basal ganglia region due to the calcification of the walls of the thalamostriatal and lenticulostriatal medium-sized perforating arteries associated with wall hypercellularity, intramural and perivascular deposition of the amorphous basophilic material. It is actually a non-specific sign of some possible causes like neonatal asphyxia, intrauterine torch infections. Even it may be associated with chromosomal disorders, maternal drug abuse. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share it with your friends so that they can also learn something from these cases. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.